It was one of those games. I think Islanders first half they were in control. We realized how they've been playing. They were first on the ball. And second half we realized that also our guys were a bit tiring up, like the likes of Ian and also Philip Marufu. That's why we bring the youngsters to match the pace of the game. If you look at Blessing Sahon, he comes in and changed a lot of things. Lloyd Gorina, he comes in also, he changed. So I think the guys, all the substitution, even Brighton, when they comes in, we change also the system, the way we're playing. So overall, honestly speaking, the guys, they did very well. Playing away from home, Islanders were also coming from a defeat. Drawing against Cape United, coming here and it has to manage to pick 3 points. It's very recommendable. We knew Islanders, they really want this game. That's why we're sitting back, trying to also to break on counter-attack, which could not work for us. Second half, we thought, oh yes, now we've managed to contain them. Let's go for them. That's why you now putting speed wingers like the likes of the youngsters. There was a bit of what we tried to open up the defense, which works good for us. But overall, I need to give credit to the guys.